After kicking with the right heel, we're going to box an opponent's ears, which is as much fun as it sounds. So we finished the right kick, we place the heel down. Make fists with the hands. They're light fists. They're always light fists in Tai Chi. A light fist is just where you fold the fingertips in and let the thumb rest on top. So we've kicked, we place it down, make the light fists, lift the arms, bring the forearms together, and then push down with the elbows, which pushes weight into your right leg. Once it gets to this point, so don't keep going down like this, don't bend your waist, don't bend your back. There's a natural point where you won't be able to do anymore. You're keeping that nice straight line down here. So instead of pushing the elbows down, you're now going to push the fists down. So you've pushed the elbows down as far as you can. Now keep pushing the fists down, and they're going to come around in a circle. And as if somebody is standing directly in front of you, who is exactly the same size as you, you are going to box their ears with the top two knuckles of each hand, like that. So we kick with the right heel, put the heel down, make fists, bring the forearms together, push down with the elbows, then push down with the hands, come round in the circle and box the opponent's ears. So from the back, kick with the right heel, place the heel down, make fists with the hands, lift, bring the forearms together, push the elbows down until you hit the natural resistance, then keep pushing the hands, come around in a circle and box the opponent's ears.